Good morning, children. Last class we have seen evolution of computers. In that, early calculating devices, generations of computers we have seen. Today we are going to learn 2 points: characteristics of modern computers and the limitation of computers. As we learned before, the word computer is derived from the verb compute, which means to calculate. Now we will see the characteristics that makes modern computers unique are speed. Speed is the amount of time taken by the computer in completing the task. Computers can perform complex mathematical calculations as well as other operations at very high speed. If you want to calculate 365 into 20, you know how much time we will take, is it? We will use hand, leg, and you will count, add. This is very difficult, especially 7th table, 8th table. Oh, very difficult. But for computer, it is very fast. Compared to human being, a computer works very fast and can do a large number of calculations quickly as compared to a human being. The second characteristic is accuracy. Accuracy refers to the degree of perfection of operations performed by a computer. If the data and instructions entered into a computer are correct, the result produced will be accurate. Computers do not commit any errors and are capable of handling complex instruction accurately. Example, if I press key A, so MS Word will print A only. If I keep in mind that I want to get S, then I press A, that is a problem of the user. So, computer is accurate. However, errors can occur if the input provided to them by humans are incorrect. If we give wrong instruction, then computer will give the wrong instruction. You can reliable on computer. In case of any failure in computer system, there is a provision for immediate backup of information and program. Something went out wrong in computer, you can back up. But once our memory, the human being's memory lost, then we cannot reliable that person. Especially we call Gajnis. Oh, we'll call that person Gajni. Always we'll forget. We can't trust him. We can't reliable. But computer is a reliable. Next characteristic is versatility. A computer can perform a variety of tasks, different types of jobs efficiently. They can work with different types of data such as graphics, audio, videos, and etc. Because of that, we can use in all fields like education, science, technology, business, finance, accounts, communications, etc. Next characteristics of computer is storage. Storage is the capacity of the computer to store data. Computers have very large memory. They can store a huge amount of data in a small space. The data stored can be retrieved instantly and correctly whenever it is desired. Once you store any amount of data, like you can serve in YouTube, you can serve in Facebook, or you can serve images in email, or in hard disk, pen drive, and you can retrieve it anytime. So like this, hard disk, pen drive, RAM, ROM, CD, DVD, etc. Next characteristic is diligence. Computers are non-respondent to human factors like fatigue, tiredness or boredom. Suppose if teacher is telling to repeat table of 2 10 times, you will get bored. You like talking too much, so teacher is allowing, okay, talk half an hour, but still within 10-15 minutes you will be tired. Okay, you like to play much, so teacher is allowed to play in ground, go and play, but after 1 and 2 hours you are tired again, you become bored. But computer is not the same. It can work repeatedly, efficiently for a long time. If you say play this song 10 times, 100 times, computer will playing on, going, repeating the same 10 times, 100 times, or how much you want. When the power off, up to that. Diligence. What is the meaning? Untiring, no boredom. So once again, I will repeat the characteristics of modern computers like speed, accuracy, high storage capacity, diligence or untiring, and versatility. Lastly, we are going to see the point limitations of computer. Before we have seen limitation, but that are the limitation of first generation of computer or compared to third generation, second generation of computer, and comparing with other generations, we will find the limitation of the previous generations of computer. But here we are going to see main 3 points of limitation of computer. A computer cannot think and take decisions on its own. That means computers lack, L-A-C-K, lack means limitation, drawbacks, less. Computers lack decision making ability. It can't take any decision by its own. Okay, now computer is simply on for a long time. Computer is thinking, let me play one music now itself. No. If user is giving, then computer will play one music. Computers lack decision making ability. Next one is no intelligence. Unlike human beings, a computer has no IQ. Even you say any work, whatever you want, you can do in laptop, computer or mobile, is it? But no. Without user, computer cannot do any action by itself. Oh, computer is simply idle for a long time. Okay, now I will go in the sleep mode. No. If user set as a sleep mode, then after so and so hours, it will go to sleep mode. No intelligence for, no IQ for computer. Besides being machines, computers lack emotions. There is no emotion for computer. If I hit on a laptop or computer, it will not feel anything. Not like human being. If you look, if you talk something, if you hit, you will feel very badly. But for computer, nothing. So, I conclude the limitation of computer. First one is computers lack decision making abilities. Second one, computer has no IQ. And third one is computers lack emotions. Friends, read chapter well and understand. Learn the question answer well. Thank you.